Hello, and welcome to Alleviate Dry Eye, where you can learn to take care of your eyes like it's the only pair you'll ever have. I'm Dr. T, Pam Terrio. I am the author of Alleviate Dry Eye and also a dry eye specialist here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Today, I'd like to talk about cleaning your eyelids and lashes. It's part of my four-step daily practice to take care of my eyes. And so this is something that we talk about a lot, is using a lid and lash cleanser to remove the bacteria that live on our lids and lashes and wash them away at the end of the day and again in the morning. There's four different kinds of lid and lash cleansers, and I just want to quickly go over them with you. The first is a hypochlorous acid-based spray. Now, hypochlorous acid is produced by our own cells to defend against bacteria in our bodies. So it is perfectly safe to use on our eyes. These sprays come in little pumps, and you just gently close your eyes and squirt the spray right onto your lids and lashes. Rub that in for about 20 seconds and allow the spray to air dry on your eyes. I often talk about hypochlor, but there are several different brands on the market. And this is a very gentle way to cleanse your eyes. You can use it twice a day, every day, without fear of your eyes becoming red or irritated. The second type of lid and lash cleanser is a cleansing gel. So this often is a thicker version of that spray. So Hypochlor makes one. OcuSoft Hypochlor makes a gel version of their spray, and I love that because it's got a little bit thicker consistency to it. My other favorite is Zocular. This is a gel that then you just put a little strip onto your clean finger, rub the two fingers together, and then rub that into your lashes 20 seconds and then rinse it back off again. So the gels need to be rinsed away. Now the third type is a foaming cleanser. So this looks just like a hand soap that foams. You just pump a bit onto your finger, rub the two fingers together, again, scrub into your eyelashes for about 20 or 30 seconds before you rinse the foam away. The foam has a little soapiness to it, so you want to make sure you get it all off of your lids and lashes. And finally, the fourth type of lid and lash cleanser is a pad. So I have two here. One by OcuSoft. They make one that you rinse off that's a dark blue type and this light blue. They say you can leave it on your eyes, but I would probably rinse it. This one's a little bit soapy, foamy. You just take the cloth out and scrub right into the lash line. And the other I have is Eyes Are the Story. This one is super gentle. It's a nice big cloth, and I'd recommend that you even use it all over your face to remove your makeup with the Eyes Are the Story. This one's super gentle. Again, you should rinse it away. But a nice thing about these scrub pads is that they're easy to travel with. You can pop one in your purse or your travel bag. And also, the pad gives a little bit of grip to pull any dirt, dust, debris, scurfiness out of your lashes and make them feel nice and clean. So there you have it. Four different types of lid and lash cleansers that are great for you to use to keep your eyes healthy on a daily basis. And remember, when we learn to take care of our eyes today, our vision will last us a lifetime. Thanks again for watching.